Guys, this is Cubing Beast, and today in this video I am going to unbox this package which I got from thecubelelo.com today. So let's open it up. So let's cut the tape open. I'm very excited for this puzzle as this is my first ever shape-shifting puzzle. So yeah, let me close this knife. It is very dangerous. Yes, I like this color very much. I don't know the name of this color, but this color is very pretty. So let's keep it aside, and this is the cube itself. This is the YuXin Little Magic Square-1. Yeah, and more 100 cube care not needed, and else that invoice and a GAN logo sticker. I really like the GAN logo sticker, that's why and I order one more. Opening the box of the Square-1. The colors are very bright. Yeah, this is a very light cube. Nothing else in the box, only a cube and a instruction manual. Is the instruction manual in English? Yes, in English and in Chinese also. So I don't need this. So getting into the cube, yeah, this is very light cube. The sound is very smooth, very smooth. So yeah, it is not lubed. It has a rough feeling, but the cube is very smooth. The top, bottom, yeah, rough feeling. But the slice turns are very smooth. Not the top and bottom are not that smooth, but they are okay. They will be okay. They will be much better after lubrication. Comparing the colors with my RS3M, the white is almost similar. The blue is much lighter on the YuXin Little Magic. The orange is slightly lighter on this. Green are almost same. Red is darker on this and yellow is brighter on this. So yeah, not that much color difference. I really like the slice turning. This cube is great, but I do not know much about the Square-1 or any shape-shifting puzzle, so I can't do a great review right now. I will post a different review video. In that I will lube it and set up the tensions. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.